Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to move and copy an appointment. An appointment can be moved when a patient cannot attend the appointment or the current time of the booking. The appointment can be cut and pasted onto the new date and time that will be more convenient for the patient. Let us go over how to move an appointment. Select the appointment the user wishes to move. Drag and drop the appointment into the new time slot. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Click on the Save button to save the booking. Next, let us go over how to copy an appointment. Select the appointment that the user wishes to duplicate. Press Ctrl C on the user's keyboard to copy the appointment. Select the time slot where the user wishes to move the booking to. Press Ctrl V on the user's keyboard to paste the appointment into the new time slot. The Add Edit Booking screen will open. Click on the Save button to confirm that the user wishes to paste the appointment into the time slot. An attention pop-up will appear warning the user that the patient is already booked for the same day. Click on the OK button if the user wishes to continue. The booking will appear in the chosen time slot.